So this is a queen in a queen cage, and there's a drop of honey right there and another drop of honey, and she was eating the honey herself. She stuck her tongue out and she ate it. And I think it's generally understood or believed that the queen can't feed herself, but if she doesn't have anyone to feed her, she'll do what she has to do, I guess, and she'll feed herself. So that's cool to see. Good to know. There she is. This is a queen who I was planning to squish because she was in a high. She was slowing down. She was getting old, and I think she was about to be superseded. But I just love her genetics so much that I decided I'm going to give her a little nuke box, a little box of her own, a little house of her own to live in with other bees, and I'm going to keep her alive until next spring at least. There she is. You see there's a little bit of honey there. She was just eating that honey. Hopefully I'll be able to get her in a hive later today. I'm at home, sick with a cold, hacking up my lung, but I'll take a break hopefully and get this done.